Alright y'all, welcome back to the channel. So I finally did it. So I went and got a bee nuke. It has 5 frames already ready to go. And all I do is put them in the box. Oh yeah, I've been thinking about doing bees for years now, and finally getting to do it. So I'm pretty excited. So I was just watching a few channels, and they should say before you do it to open it up so they can kind of get orientated. So I'm about to do that. Welcome to Noah's Ark in Homestead. I'm going off the grid. All right, let's do it. Now I'm not wearing any kind of suit right now or anything. I'm hoping they don't come out crazy. All right, here we go. All right, here they come. So this is supposed to allow them to kind of get orientated, and also it kind of calms them down, so you're not just opening the box up right out of thing and moving them. So this kind of gets them used to everything. So yeah, this is and then also I'm gonna keep the frames orientated so they come out here and get orientated, and I move them perfectly over. All right, we about to do it, y'all. So just talk about where I got these from. I got these from Bemis and Family Farms out of Little Rock. And yeah, very nice place. They have classes and all kinds of everything you need. Real great place. It's kind of crazy. The nukes they sell here are nice plastic nukes. Usually I see people just get them in cardboard boxes, but I guess I can use this maybe to catch swarms next year, or when I split hives or something. It's a nice box, but you know, they probably had a cost to it. I still paid $200 for it, and these are Italian bees. I'll just take that whole thing off there. See them in there. All right. So I got a few things. Got my box. Got my tool. I got a top feeder. I heard these are some of the good ones now of feeders where nothing can leak down into the hive and they can come up and get it. Yeah, these bees are already so calm. I'm probably not even going to wait very long to actually switch them over. I was just opening it up to see kind of like a pressure release valve. Okay, I got a couple different suits here. I got this one off of Amazon a while back. It's actually pretty cheap. Of course, you know, you can, it kind of feels that way too. And I also got a I think a more high quality hood, but this is a little small for me, so I'm probably just going to wear this part and some gloves, kind of piece together a suit here, and see how well I can go with it. I gotta be honest with y'all, this is actually my first year, so if you're experienced or professional, and don't hesitate to give me a comment to help me out if you see something that I'm doing they could be doing better or whatnot. You know, I feel like the bee community is they're very helpful and help each other a lot. I've already kind of seen that with a few comments on my other videos. So yeah, thank you very much. I feel like I'm being initiated to the community. So let's do it. Okay, I got my smoker, some natural materials. I haven't actually used a whole lot of different natural materials yet to know which one's the best. So I got it sorted, like some pine cone, pine needles, sweet ball gums and just some oak flakes. So I don't know. Okay, got it going. Now I think you can also use those smoker pellets like you use in barbecue pellets. Alright, close that up here. Alright, we're ready to go. Okay, it's been a few hours and they are coming out of the box. So that's what I was hoping. More just out of the box, be less I have to deal with. And I got my smoker. Here we go. Okay, let's get some smoke to them. Oh man. Ooh, like they started making different noise when I smoked them.
Here, set that away from them, maybe.
Well, here we go. Alright, I got my 5 frames, and I'm just going to go from here to here.
Where's your tool?
Okay, I got my tool. What does that look like? This looks like some honey. Not much going on there. Oh yeah, supposed to be looking for a queen. Oh, these frames are a little bit tighter than it's in the box here. Number 2. Well, this one's heavier. Oh yeah, so that's the brood, I think. The calf brood. Do I see any queen? I can't tell. Oh, what's on this side? It was heavy. I think this is all brood. Ooh, I can already tell. It's already kind of hard on my back. And this on this one. Looks mostly empty. Oh, these are larvae. I actually see the larvae in it. So this, the queen might be on this one if there's larvae. There's a big one right there. I don't know if that's the queen. Run that smoke here. Alright, let's just get it done. Well, it's heavy too. And there's more brood. Yeah, I think this is our brood. Okay, for this one, maybe I will pull this frame out here. This is already pre-waxed, so it'll help them. Okay, looks mostly empty. And that kind of comb was kind of funny. Okay. See how well it's fitting here? Alright. They're pretty evenly spaced. Alright, now for my feeder. I'm not going to use the, I'm going to put this directly on. Okay, just no, use around the edges. Got my 1-to-1 sugar that I made last night, so it's not hot. And then I guess I'll just put this on. Okay, got them in there, and they're kind of all buzzing all around. I'm gonna give them a few more hours and then just come check here, see if it's how well it's calmed down. Okay, looks like they've getting settled in. I took off that thing, the top, said it was looked like this was fitting better. And plus, I just wanted to kind of open it up and look. Oh yeah, looks like to get into honey. I mean, the sugar water. So, and I think the top fits better without it. I'm just gonna leave this new case over here for a couple of days because it looks like they're eating what's left of the wax in there. Okay, I've also kind of made like a little water garden, and ooh, they're kind of going right now. And I'm going to put the reducer on the smallest. It's supposed to help keep, since they're kind of new, it's supposed to help keep the other ones from Steven so much. Okay, I just put a bungee cord on, so that's the last I'm due for today. Hey guys, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe, maybe even leave a comment. These videos are for entertainment and inspirational purposes, only to inspire you. Have a blessed day.